up, guys? Welcome to another Dummy Tech Talks. Watched a couple weeks ago Trevor replacing the fog lights in his truck over here. Yeah. If you didn't, check the video out. It's right up here.
Right there.
Yeah. And this time, we'll replace the fog lights in my truck.
I can't say that I didn't inspire him to do this, but I kind of inspired him to do this.
He did. He really did. Mine are old and they don't work properly. Heck
So
yeah.
the reason why you don't go cheap.
Yes.
Cheap. Well, when I say
Don't go
cheap,
too cheap.
you don't go wish cheap.
Exactly. Wish or geek. We'll put a picture of it up here if we can. These are Alla Lighting. Premium high illumination LED fog lights. They look cool, and there's a 1-year warranty supposedly, and it comes with a tool. They're red. With the heat sink and all that down there.
Yeah, they're all aluminium.
Aluminium.
Pretty cool. I wish I would have got them because they would have matched my truck. But
Yeah, you won't see them on mine because they're going to be down in the housings, but as long as they're bright and they work, I'm happy.
yeah, exactly. I'm kind of excited to get these things on there. Let's do this.
Let's do it. This is the old one. You can see on the sides, you can see some more LEDs on there, but only the one in the middle is lit up.
In the front.
Yeah, which is why it's got a little ring, like it's a circle.
But how long have they been in there?
Shoot,
Years?
man, years, yeah. So at least that one's still going.
Yeah.
Come on down here. Look at it. Let me turn on this light real quick. Bam. All right, so here's the back side. Wow, that is dirty. I should have cleaned it first. This is the back side of the LED, the fog light. There's a clip here. I'm actually just gonna unhook the light first if I can. I cannot. This clip, I'm doing it one-handed. So all you do to unhook this clip, I just did, is push that up, or away from the light rather, and then pull away. Comes off real nice and easy. This turns in a counterclockwise position. So counterclockwise until it kind of stops, and then you can just pull it up. This is kind of a long bulb, so it's a pain. Give me just a second to get this out. This is what it looks like with the bulb out. There's now a hole right here, and this is the bulb. If I can get that on the camera. This is the old one. I'll compare it to the new one now. So here's the old light that we just showed you, and here's one of the new ones.
Ooh.
Yeah. This is actually lighter too.
And what happened to the old one when you pulled it out?
Oh, yeah, like we were saying, it was a few years old. It kind of just came apart. You get what you pay for, you know?
Oh man, gotta
These
love
were
it.
a pair for probably $10 to $15 years ago, and
Yeah, I was about to say years ago, because now you can get the ones like you got for
these were
20,
25,
yeah,
something like
so-
that. We'll put a link in the description.
Yeah.
So if you like them, you can check them out. Make sure they fit your vehicle before you buy them, please.
Great.
So I'm gonna go ahead and install one of these new ones. Here's the housing again with no light in it. Here's the new light bulb. It's not super easy to do one-handed because they are kind of long, so I have to get it just right. In fact, let me see if I can do this. Maybe you can see that. It's easier to do with two hands. So once it's in, it's in. So I've got it in there partially. Now I just have to put it in, or find the grooves that match up with the grooves that are on the bulb, and get it lined up and then turn it. With this particular bulb, there is a tool it came with, so you can change the direction that it's lined up with. There's a little screw right there in the bottom in the middle.
Depending on your housing.
Yeah, depending on your housing and how it fits in here. So once you find the holes and line it up, you just turn it clockwise, and it's in there now. It ain't going anywhere. You can just take the original plug and plug it in, and I just saw it turn on. We will show you guys a video of that now. Alright, so here's the comparison. The one you see on the left over here is the brand new one.
It's so bright.
Clearly brighter, and then this is over here on the right is the old one.
Yeah. That one. Right there.
So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the one on the driver's side, which is our right here. I don't really feel the need to do that on camera because it's the exact same as what we just did on the passenger side. So if you need to, you can rewind the video and rewatch that for more help on the other side. It's exactly the same. So give me just a second and I'll be back. So this is my truck with the new fog lights.
It's super bright. Obviously it's dark out now, but
Yes.
holy smokes,
It
what a
is
difference.
awesome. Way better. Way better. All right, well that's the installation of fog lights in a 2007 GMC Canyon in similar body styles, you know, around the same era.
Canyons, Colorados, you know,
There's even an Isuzu or whatever that has a similar one.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, those guys. Yeah.
But that was sort of simple.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool. And they're a lot brighter.
Yes. And again, if you need to do both of them, which you probably will, and you need to watch it for both of them, just rewatch the first one twice because they're the exact same.
Exact same.
Yep. Boom.
Done.
Nice and easy.
If y'all like that video, give us a thumbs up and hit that like button.
Please.
And share.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you know when we release new content. And we've got like 56 videos now.
Oh yeah, we do.
And we'll keep cranking them out, but we kind of want some help for ideas. Like,
yeah, give us something.
If it's doable, we'll do it, and we'll even give you a shout out.
Yeah, no skydiving.
I've done it.
Not gonna do that. All right, mosquitoes are coming out.
So we're gonna wrap this up.
Yep. Hope y'all enjoyed this. We'll see y'all next time.